Okay, so the first thing is when you're trying to log into the portal, hopefully you have your user ID and your password. If you do not, you can put in your new user request registration. In this instance, you can put in your member code and just enter the fact you're not a robot. You can check the member code, and from there, the information will be sent to you. Now, in this instance, I already have my member code, so that's not an issue, but that is one way you can do it. Also, if your member code, you put it in there and you don't get the information, you can always change your email. So that's another option as well. Again, here's the options. If you forgot your user password, that's another option. You can change the email or again, put the user request registration. In this instance, I have my user ID and I have my password. So I'm going to put that in. And after this information is in, you just have to, once again, submit your information. And once you do that, it's a fairly straightforward process. So I have my user ID and password. I log in at this point, and from here, again, it's fairly self-explanatory. So you click on education, and from education, you see all the different options come up. So again, so at this point, you enter your achievements, and you can see here, you can add new, and then the information comes up. So you have the institute name, your program certification, your status, the start date, your major, your institution type, your current level, your comments, and the date, etc. So that is for the education and achievements. Tests, if applicable, again, you click on tests, click on the add new. You can see the test type here, SAT, ACT, your GMAT, etc. It's a K-8 math challenge, perhaps. The test term, again, that's just the year of what it is. The test date and the test grade. So you enter that in, what grade you're in, as you can see here. And again, that's what you do for the tests. For applications, this again, you can click on applications, go to add new, you see the application type, and from here it's a loan, a scholarship, a talent award. There's different options there, and you can say that you're applying to where it is, what your academic year is, and your personal statement as well. So again, all these different options are here available to you. It's fairly straightforward. The applications for talent, all other applications have a different set of data entry requirements. So that's just something to keep in mind. But once again, achievements, tests, applications, and the key here is that, before entering your application, please make sure that you've reviewed the criteria for each application at edu.emedea.us. And the most important thing is this: once the application has been entered, please make sure to submit the application by clicking on the submit button. So once again, that's the most important thing. You're saving everything, you're submitting all the information. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can go to contact us and send a message to the email distribution relevant to your application.